Hi guys, welcome back to a bit of a different video. In this video I'm going to talk about upcoming videos and plans for Season 3. So Season 3 contains many console reviews and restorations, which is really the start of the PlayStation side of my channel. I also take a look at an old PowerBook which I got for free. A friend and I restore his PlayStation 2. I clean and test a 2006 Mac Pro. I clean out and try a GPU which cost me $2. And many more different items and projects. I'm planning to either upload every second week or every so often, rather than sticking to a plan. This way I don't need to rush to get videos finished on time. I'll also stick to having 9 episodes per season. I'm planning to start uploading Season 3 in September or early October. I regularly post onto my Instagram photos and videos of things I purchase and other things I have made or fixed. So please go follow me on Instagram at TechWithSully, the link will be in the description. So please stay tuned for the new season and thanks for watching.